As a fan girly, I literally cannot travel without a fan. I need my white noise. I need the breeze. Sometimes when you go to certain Airbnbs, they don't even have a ceiling fan, y'all. This is my travel essential hack. I got this fan off a TikTok shop. It comes in multiple colors, so you know I had to get the purple. Either turn up the power or turn it down. It's literally a turbo fan, but the price was so freaking affordable. I had to go ahead and snag two, actually. Love the fact that it's no batteries. You can even plug this in. It has a perfect hum. You can even turn it up if you need like that loud white noise. Literally will not travel without my travel fan. This is definitely a must-have. It had multiple colors.